The verb can expresses ability. I can play the guitar. He can play chess. She can sing. He can dance. Cannot means lack of ability. I cannot fly. They cannot speak German. You cannot do that. Sometimes the verb could is used, but to express past ability. She could swim at the age of 7. They could learn how to play chess when they were young. Remember, modal verbs can and could do not add s, and they do not change in singular or plural. They do not add any endings. Sometimes there are other ways to express ability. One of the ways to express ability is the construction be able to. It's a similar thing to the verb can, but you change the verb to be every time you change the pronoun. For example, I am able to play the piano. You are able to sing. He is able to cook. It is able to work. We are able to speak Spanish. You are able to bake. They are able to jump. But there is another construction which means the same. It is know how to. I know how to cook. You know how to jump. She knows how to speak Japanese. It knows how to work. He knows how to play the guitar. So these constructions are similar, but you should remember when we make negative sentences, that's when the headache starts. I am not able to convince you. You are not able to listen to me. He is not able to understand. She is not able to buy herself flowers. It is not able to be redone. We are not able to replay the video. You are not able to do that. They are not able to play chess. The verb know how to changes in a different way. For example, I don't know how to speak German. You don't know how to speak Chinese. He, she, it doesn't know, then the verb. He doesn't know how to cut vegetables. She doesn't know how to do that. You don't know how to cook. And they don't know how to speak English. Please, if you liked the video about abilities, hit the subscribe button and tell us what exactly did you like. With love from the company Top LINGO.